Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play Assetto Corsa using just your keyboard and mouse in 2025. Now, most people would tell you that a racing wheel or a controller is the best way to enjoy this sim. And that's true. But if you don't have one, you can still get a surprisingly smooth experience with the right settings and a bit of turning. So let's jump right into it. The first setup is to launch Assetto Corsa and head over to Options, then go to Controls. From here, you will need to manually set up your keyboard bindings. Assign basic driving inputs like throttle, brake, string left right, handbrake, gear up and down, and look left right. I recommend using WASD or arrows key for the movement, and shift or control for gear shifting, depending on what feels natural for you. Next, under the steering settings, make sure your adjustment is the steering and grammar. Since the keyboard input is digital on and off, not all look like you're willing. Tweaking this value can help you smooth out sharp turns. Try setting steering speed around 25 up to 40% and camera around like 2.5 to make sure your turns more manageable without oversteering. You'll also want to reduce steering assets slightly in the assist tab. Don't remove completely. You'll need to a bit of help with traditional and stability since you're not using analog controls. Leave ABS and transitional console on it, at least a medium setting. As for the mouse, while you can't use it for streaming and default version of Assetto Corsa, some players use third-party tools like UCR or Universal Control Remapper or Anti-Micro X to map mouse movement to steering input. But keep in mind, this takes more setup and might not be officially supported. Once your controls are mapped, hop into a practice sessions on a wide track like Monza or Silverstone to get a feel for the handling. Expect to spin a bit at the first, but with time, you'll get the hang of balancing throttle and brake input even with a keyboard. And that's it. Keyboard and mouse might not be the go-to setup for racing sims, but if you haven't tuned your settings right, take your time to adjust. You'll still be able to enjoy Assetto Corsa without a problem. And thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, go ahead and hit that button, drop a comment, sharing your custom keyboard tips, and don't forget to subscribe for more gaming guides and PC setup tutorials every week. Catch you in the next one.